Hey, welcome back. It's already day 6, and I'm so proud of you for staying consistent. Every day we're learning powerful stories in simple English. And today's story is about a man who became a legend by starting small, but dreaming big. Some call him the god of cricket, but he started out just like any of us, as a kid with a passion. Let's talk about Sachin Tendulkar, the man who showed the world what true dedication looks like. Sachin was born in 1973 in Mumbai. As a child, he was mischievous, always full of energy. One day, his elder brother took him to a cricket coach, and that's where it all began. At just 16 years old, Sachin made his debut for India, facing the world's best bowlers. He was hit, injured, and even had his nose bleeding during one match. But he didn't walk away. He stood back up and kept playing. He once said, "I didn't come this far to back down now." For the next 24 years, Sachin played cricket with love and respect, never losing focus, even when the pressure was massive. Whether he scored 100 or got out for 0, he remained humble, respectful, and quiet. In 2011, after years of struggle, he finally lifted the World Cup, the moment he had dreamed about for his entire life. Even in his farewell speech, he said, "Dreams do come true." Sachin's story teaches us this. Talent may start the journey, but discipline, focus, and patience complete it. No matter your field, your dream, or your level today, if you work every single day with heart, you will achieve something extraordinary. Thank you so much for watching today's story. Whether you're here to improve your English or get daily motivation, you're growing already. Come back tomorrow for another life-changing story. Let's keep growing. Let's keep learning. Together. See you in day 7.